Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily reset your chart to default in TradingView. So let's start. So when you're going to be on TradingView, and let's say that you're going to have like plenty of indicators and everything, so I'm going to what you can do. So I have the indicator here, and I can simply click here, settings, default, reset settings. Okay, then I have the volume here, again settings, input, default, reset settings. So this is how you can reset your settings for indicators and drawings that you're gonna have, right? So yeah, the second thing what you can do is go simply to your remove drawings and indicators if you want to delete everything like this. And then this is another thing what you can do. Then next to the unnamed is gonna be like load chart layout, and you can simply remove and bang, you're back. So this is how you can do it. And new chart layout, and that's pretty much it. So if you can have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. So this is how you can reset the chart to default in TradingView.